Hello, I'm Luca Di Persio. I'm the scientific coordinator of the master degree in data science in Verona. And today is my great pleasure to introduce you Paolo Gai. Paolo Gai is the founder of the Evidence company. Evidence is a former startup of the Istituto Superiore Sant'Anna in Pisa. They are very actively working with respect to the automotive sector. In particular, they developed the ERICA real-time engine control, which keeps both Alfa Romeo Stelvio and Alfa Romeo Giulia models. And then Evidence has been acquired by the telecommunication worldwide known giant Huawei, and they are currently developing a very interesting industrial research group in Pisa. Today, Paolo will speak about the relevance of data analysis within the automotive sector. So I very hope you will enjoy his suggestions and ideas for your work future. Enjoy.
Hi everybody, my name is Paolo Gai and I'm the founder of Evidence. Evidence was a startup company of the Scuola Superiore Sant'Anna in Pisa, and the company was active in producing software for the automotive, industrial and HVAC sectors. Recently, the company has been acquired by Huawei Technologies, and nowadays I am the director of the Embedded Software Lab in the Huawei Pisa Research Center. So basically, Evidence became a Huawei Research Center in Pisa. In the Pisa Research Center, we are mainly doing research. So it means that we are looking at what is going to be the software landscape, especially for automotive systems, in the next few years. We are mainly focusing on operating system, in particular real-time operating systems, as well as safety topics and model-based design, which are techniques to design the software using models and then automatically generate code for them. I know that this video is going to be used as a presentation of the master degree in data science. So what I'm going to do in this video is to give you a very brief point of view, let's say from the automotive perspective, in particular to what concerns the usage of data and why data science is important for the automotive sector. So the main question is, what are you going to expect in 10 years, in 2030? So you can expect that, as you have probably seen in many news, that every enterprise will be on the cloud. There will be digital twins online. There will be artificial intelligence and artificial intelligence decision everywhere. And there will be many sensors for each person. These are the typical topics that are discussed when you talk about networking and data in the future. But it's I think the most important thing is that systems and many companies are going to be changing. In particular, the automotive companies are going to shift in the next years between car makers to software producers. And likely you will have that many systems will move from, let's say, software oriented to data oriented. This is very important for your current degree because you are going to study on data science. What I mean when I say that a car is going to be software oriented, it means that data is going to be very, very important for cars. And already now we are talking about data-driven vehicle development. And it's already a very trend topic, especially for autonomous driving. The idea is the following. It is typically called a big loop. The idea is that you have a car on the street, which is owned by people. The car is already equipped with say, autonomous driving. This is what, for example, Tesla is doing. So you have an autonomous driving, which is based on a neural network, already trained based on, let's say, a data set, which was already there before. So we can use the car on the street to collect the data and to understand whereas the car is currently understanding the behavior and surrounding of the car in order to make predictions on the autonomous driving. So there are systems nowadays in the car. They typically name that they are working in shadow mode. So where the cars are taking data using many cameras and analyzing it. And not only analyzing it, but also taking snapshots of what you're doing in the car externally to see if the artificial intelligence is matching your results. And if they're not matching, they save it apart, transmit it back, and they use those data to improve the neural network. So that the autonomous driving will be always better over time. So you can also imagine so that those data are not only used in a big loop scenario where you are going to train your neural networks, but also will be used for development, for profiling, for the operation, for predictive maintenance, after sales, and in general, there is a big trend on monetizing the car data to enable new businesses and services. So a degree like the one you are evaluating now on data science will give you the basic tools, the basic knowledge that you need to analyze data and to make predictions on data and to make decisions on data, whereas to apply a specific decision or not, or whether to extract, let's say, important information or trend information out of the huge amount of data that you are going to get. It could be automotive, like the case I showed you. It could be industrial, like many industries, like data that are produced by many industries which are in your current territory near Verona, and in many other situations. In general, I would say that the knowledge on the data is very important. So a profile on data science will be very much important and required in the next few years. So thanks for the opportunity to talk to you. If you are interested in what Huawei is doing and what Huawei is doing in Pisa, please contact Luca di Persio and just send me a mail, and I will be happy to show you more. Do not forget that we will have a Huawei University Challenge opening soon in end of July. So if you want to apply as a university student, you are very welcome to be hosted in Pisa for the final event, which will be on 6th November. Thank you for your time, and have a nice day, and hope you a successful career in engineering and STEM degrees. Bye-bye.